This salad is so delicious that it has become a routine in my kitchen. I make it every day. Let's start by cutting a cabbage into very thin strips. To do this, simply remove the thicker outer leaves and cut carefully. After cutting the entire cabbage, place it on a plate and add a teaspoon of salt. Mix well with your hands, making sure the salt is evenly distributed. Once done, transfer the cabbage to a bowl. Now let's move on to the cucumber, which adds freshness and crunch to our recipe. Start by peeling the cucumber and cutting off the ends. Then slice it into small rounds. This step is simple, but it makes all the difference in the visual and taste of the salad. Add the sliced cucumber to the bowl with the cabbage. The next ingredient is a classic, boiled eggs. Take 4 boiled eggs and cut them into pieces. They will add creaminess and protein to our salad. Add the egg pieces to the bowl. Next, add 4 tablespoons of sweet corn. Then, open a can of tuna, drain the liquid, and add the tuna to the bowl. Now it's time to add a touch of freshness and color. Take a handful of fresh parsley and chop it finely. Add the chopped parsley to the bowl. Then, do the same with some chives, which will bring that slightly spicy and unmistakable flavor. Add them to the bowl. In a small container, add 2 tablespoons of natural yogurt, 20 grams of mayonnaise, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well until the dressing is smooth and homogeneous. Now just add the dressing to our bowl with the salad. Use a spoon or spatula to gently mix, making sure all the ingredients are coated with the dressing. This is the step that transforms a simple salad into an explosion of flavors. And there you go. Your salad is ready to be served. Look how beautiful and appetizing it turned out. The mix of colors, textures, and flavors makes this recipe one of the most versatile and irresistible. Serve generous portions and enjoy every bite. This is one of those recipes you'll want to repeat again and again. Don't forget to tell me what city or country you're watching me from so I can send you a special hug in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family. I'm sure they'll love it too. Thank you for watching until the end. See you next time.